Welcome to Wachilatan waterfall. Wachilalongkorn, our king name, Lama 10. We use his name to Wachilatan over there. And this is mango, you can see? Big mango, the young leaf mango. And over there, this one is seafood. Left side rice field. We go rice for 3 months. Right you down the beginning to grow 2 weeks ago. So remain 2 months and 2 weeks. Yeah. Long time. Welcome to the national park. Now we are trekking in the mountain. This is the highest spot in Thailand for take a photo only. Slowly, easy. Pay attention. Again, try. You can do it. Oh, what do you need? Can you ask? Next one. Lobster, seafood with my friend pay me tonight. Big dinner in first class hotel. Oh, you in that? So next morning here, this morning 6 a.m. 13 degrees. At 6 a.m. At the left side fact, national fact, the left side is the fact for the king number 9.